I'm back at playing Isla Tower, but this is not ordinary Isla Tower. It is ability Isla Tower. Sorry guys, I got hacked. Maybe I can get my out back. But it is drawn to me. Checkpoint by no. Checkpoint I reset. Go to that. Nah man. I don't have any money. Okay. Oh nah. I'm so unlucky today. I haven't played this for a year. I think I'm kinda suck now. Sorry for deleting the Isla Tower 4 because I got hacked in that too. Let me see if this guy I thought it I'll do that come on man. You know what? Screw this. They are us going to the OMG, I'm lucky. Only once. Oh no! At least I'm here. Get out of here. I don't get my phone. What? Ano turo niya dito? What's this? Diyan ang turo niya dito. Kaya dito muna ako. Hey, I got 100. Can I claim it again? What about in the others? Big. Baka meron dyan sa kapitan. Sisikpin ako. You know what? I will skip all the way to the skip button. Teleport pa. Kukunin ko muna to. And I'm here at checkpoint, so I will buy it. Go past. Shut up this guy. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna go after in the purple. Okay, another checkpoint. I think I go to Little Soul Park. I will buy the checkpoint because I think I'm gonna die in that one. No more checkpoint if I don't have money. Oh, there is. What is this thing? 170. Let me check over here. No man, that's so bad. I think I'm broke. I'm not disappointed. I can choose this all the way to the end. Yo, no, I haven't spawned checkpoint. I saw there are some rules. Nakalimutan ko na yung code. Pa-English kanina. Mamaya, nag-ano ako sa YouTube. Yun na naman, loko ka. Mamaya na. kaldo. Binalik na ako ito. Na may fresh, madaming Robux. Kung hindi, ang Robux ngayon ay piso. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Low checkpoint. Yeah. Yes, I can do this. Yeah. Yes, I can do this. Yeah. Yes, I can do this. I already do this. Woo. I'm kinda scared to die. I'm going back to my checkpoint. No! Hindi na ako mag-English. Pilipino na ako. Yeah. 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 Kung kaya ko kaya to. Point. 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 This is gonna be hard. Point. 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 But I'm the old OB master. No one can beat me. What is this button? You are the winner. Let's say free. Oh, I get a free bomb box. Free this. One win. Let's get that. I think I got scam. Can I go back to my checkpoint? No. So let's go back to this guy. Let's go back. What's this? Oh, it's taking me back. So I'm not clicking that. This. I'm gonna go just for 100. Traveling hook. I'm not buying that. I'm broke. I love my fresh Robux. For 589. Iwag dito ako sa may bang OB. Dito. Saan tawa yun? Yes, ako dito. Ano tayong code? No! You know what? Fine. Let's go end the video. So, bye-bye!